In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic and the ensuing shutdown of the education system aimed at mitigating the spread of COVID-19 as well as keep learners safe, the Technical and Vocational Education and Training Centers TVETS are now set for reopening. This, however, will not be a one-off event.
We have formed committees which are quickly putting together the technical content that is required so that our learners can be able to access online content, and we have been able to borrow our platform from Kenya Technical Trainers College in Gigiri, where we are using it to host the content so that our trainees can be able to access. At the moment, we are capacity building the trainers so that they can be able to use and they can also be able to develop content for that platform.
According to TVET Director at the Ministry of Education, Tom Mulati, the committee formed on the same will be seeking to partner with other stakeholders that will see students access internet bundles that are more affordable as they embark on online learning.
Going forward, I think we are looking at how we can use KenNet, which is an educational platform, so that we can be able to negotiate affordable bundles for our trainees that they can be able to sustain.
It may not be all systems go, however, as reopening will be in phase seasons that will see those that suffered interruption before the exams resume first, while others will resume their studies through online learning, subject to a review and advisory from the Ministry of Education.
We have the first category of trainees, who 20,191, whose exams were interrupted. The Kenya National Examination Council exams were interrupted. Those will be the first batch to onboard. And as we progress with that batch, then we will come in with another batch which was supposed to have started for their final exams in July. Then that will come on board, and that is an enrollment of 138,000. Then as we go along now, we can be able to gradually open. So it will not be all systems go at once.
So far, Mulati says an assessment of the institutions is complete, with some having met the guidelines set by the Ministry of Health in keeping coronavirus at bay. The reopening will, however, be tasked to those institutions that have complied with the directives.
And therefore, we have been checking, and a number of institutions have met the standard, others are yet to meet the standard. And going forward, I think we expect that many more institutions will be able to adhere to the COVID-19 protocols which are been stipulated and have been communicated to them.
The latest direction comes amid a backdrop in the number of COVID-19 cases in the country and a sustained pressure facing the Ministry of Education on whether to reopen or keep learning institutions closed until the pandemic curve is flattened. Martin Opio, K24.